In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make button hover effect in Figma. By the end, you'll have a smooth hover interaction that transitions your button from a default state to a hover state using Smart Animate. First, open your browser and go to figma.com. Sign in if needed and head to your workspace. Next, click on All Projects to view your files. This is where you can find the design you want to prototype. Now, select your project and click to open it. For this workflow, you should have two frames already set up, frame 1 with your default button, and frame 2 with the hover look, such as a different fill color, shadow, or text weight. Keeping the layers and names consistent between the two frames will make the animation look clean. Select frame 1, switch to the Prototype tab in the right sidebar. You'll see a small circular plus icon, also called a node, on the right edge of the selection. Click that plus icon and drag the blue noodle to frame 2. This creates a connection between the two frames. Once the connection is made, the interaction panel appears. Click Add Interaction if it doesn't open automatically. For the trigger, choose while hovering. This tells Figma to fire the interaction as soon as the pointer is over the target, which is perfect for hover effects. For action, select Navigate to. This means the prototype will move from frame 1 to another frame when the trigger occurs. Set the destination to frame 2. That's the hover version of your button, so the prototype will jump there on hover. For animation, choose Smart Animate. Smart Animate compares layers between frames and animates the differences, which gives you that polished, fluid transition. To get the best results, make sure the layers inside your button, like the background shape and label, have matching names and structure in both frames. You can adjust easing and duration if you like, but the default settings usually work well for hover states. Now click Preview to test it. This opens the prototype in a separate window. Hover over the button area on frame 1 and you should see it animate smoothly into the design of frame 2. If the effect looks jumpy, double check that your layers match across frames and that there's a clear visual change between the two states. That's it. You've set up a button hover effect in Figma using a simple reusable interaction. Save your file and you can apply the same approach to other components like cards, tabs, or icons. Thanks for watching and happy designing.